Joran Van Der Sloot was arrested in 2010 for the murder of a woman in Peru. He was taken into custody and eventually confessed to the crime. His confession was one of the most widely discussed moments in his case and garnered worldwide attention. In his confession, Joran Van Der Sloot stated that he strangled the victim in a Peruvian hotel room. He said that he acted in a state of rage after learning the victim had stolen $3,000 from him. Joran Van Der Sloot's confession was the primary basis for his guilty plea in the murder case. Although his guilt was widely accepted, some questioned the validity of his confession and the method in which it was given. Many experts suggested that Joran Van Der Sloot's confession was coerced and likely provided under duress. Joran Van Der Sloot's legal team maintained that he provided the confession voluntarily and without pressure. To date, the exact circumstances surrounding his confession remain unknown and the subject of debate. The details of Joran Van Der Sloot's confession entered the public record after it was read aloud in court. During the hearing, Joran Van Der Sloot also expressed remorse for his actions and apologized to the victim's family. He stated that he regretted what he had done and accepted responsibility for his actions. Because his confession was seen as a crucial part of the legal proceedings, it was widely reported in the media. Despite the public attention surrounding his guilt, Joran Van Der Sloot denied any involvement in the crime. In subsequent interviews, he maintained that he had been wrongfully convicted and that he was innocent. Joran Van Der Sloot's legal representatives have also criticized the way in which his confession was obtained. They argue that he was not given sufficient legal advice or timely access to counsel. Some experts suggest that Joran Van Der Sloot may have been influenced by external forces in providing his confession. Others claim that he may have fabricated his confession in an attempt to incriminate himself. As such, the exact circumstances which led to the confession remain undisclosed and open to speculation. While the truth about Joran Van Der Sloot's confession still remains a mystery, the facts surrounding the case are indisputable. Despite his repeated denials, Joran Van Der Sloot was sentenced to 28 years in prison for his actions. Since his conviction, he has become the focus of ongoing discussion and debate over the legal system in Peru. Joran Van Der Sloot's confession and the subsequent legal fallout demonstrate the importance of criminal proceedings. Despite the sensational coverage and speculation, the truth behind his confession still remains unknown.